Welcome to Celebration and Honor channel. This channel is dedicated to celebrating global events, sharing inspiring stories of beneficiaries, honoring the unsung heroes, professional bodies and organizations whose invaluable contributions often go unrecognized. Also showing solidarity with victims of injustice by amplifying their voices and sharing their stories. And now, today's celebration. International Day for the Total Elimination of Nuclear Weapons. What if the most powerful weapons on Earth could disappear forever, and we all played a part in making it happen? Stay tuned to the end to learn how ending nuclear weapons can build a safer future for you, your community, and your country. Today, we mark the International Day for the Total Elimination of Nuclear Weapons, a day that reminds us how important peace and security are for everyone. Nuclear weapons are dangerous machines that can destroy cities and harm millions of lives in an instant. Their existence affects not just countries, but each one of us as individuals, families, and communities. They threaten our homes, our health, and the very air we breathe, reminding us that peace is fragile and must be protected by all of us. Ending these weapons means protecting our future, building trust between nations, and creating a safer world where children can grow without fear. This day calls on everyone, from leaders to everyday people, to work together toward a world free of nuclear threats. The importance of eliminating nuclear weapons. The threat of nuclear weapons affects global peace and the health of our planet. When we work to eliminate them, we promote safer societies and prevent disasters that can impact generations. Every step toward disarmament builds stronger relationships between countries and shows that peace is possible. Without nuclear weapons, nations can focus on development, education, and improving the lives of their people. Eliminating these weapons also helps protect the environment from long-lasting damage caused by nuclear explosions or accidents. It sends a powerful message to future generations that humanity chooses life, not destruction. This goal is about hope, safety, and the future of humanity, where no one lives under the shadow of nuclear danger. Just a quick break. If you are gaining something, please consider subscribing to our channel and turn on notification to get updates on upcoming events. Subscription is free. After watching, don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you. Welcome back. Stories of impact. Lena's story. As a teacher, I want my students to dream freely, without fear of war or destruction. Knowing that efforts are being made to get rid of nuclear weapons gives me hope for a peaceful future for my children. Tom's story. I grew up near a nuclear test site. The health problems my family faced opened my eyes. Now, I work with groups pushing for disarmament. It feels good to be part of something that can save lives and protect our planet. To the unsung heroes. Thank you to the diplomats, activists, scientists, and everyday citizens working quietly but tirelessly to reduce nuclear risks. Your courage and dedication make the dream of a nuclear-free world closer to reality. You remind us that peace is not just a word, but a shared responsibility. A message to everyone watching. If you haven't yet joined the call for nuclear disarmament, now is the time. Learn, speak up, support organizations working for peace, and spread awareness in your community. Together, we can build a future free from the threat of nuclear weapons, one voice at a time. Happy International Day for the Total Elimination of Nuclear Weapons. Let's work hand in hand for peace, safety, and a better tomorrow. Let's raise our glasses to toast and honor the unsung heroes. WHO are working quietly but tirelessly to reduce nuclear risks. I hope you gained some valuable insight from today's celebration. Thank you for watching. Please, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on notifications for more inspiring celebrations. I remain yours truly, from my heart to yours, Titus Ogbe Ture. Shalom. Now, upcoming event. Coming next. The 27th of September, World Tourism Day. The 28th of September, International Day for Universal Access to Information. The 29th of September, International Day of Awareness of Food Loss and Waste. Please check channel for updates. Thank you and stay blessed.